how does a machine actually think? It starts with the perceptron, the mathematical building block of all modern deep learning. Let's deconstruct this artificial neuron step by step. First, the neuron receives numerical inputs. Each input is multiplied by a weight, which determines its strength or importance. These products are then summed together, along with a constant bias that shifts the activation threshold. This combined value represents the neuron's raw internal state. Next, this internal state passes through an activation function. While early perceptrons used a simple binary step function to output a 0 or 1, modern networks use continuous mathematical curves like the sigmoid to introduce non-linearity. This allows the neuron to learn complex, non-linear relationships. In summary, a perceptron multiplies inputs by weights, adds a bias, and applies an activation function to generate a single output. This elegant mathematical unit is the building block of deep learning. By stacking them, we create networks capable of mimicking the human brain.